Okay, how are y'all doing today? I'm in Chicago and it is, you know, bone chillingly cold here. Now, let me just say this. I'm from Chicago, so I'm not surprised. I'm not like, oh my God, it's so bad. But I just gotta be honest. It don't matter. You still feel the cold. You still be like, damn, it's cold outside. So before you say, well, you know, if it's so cold, why you live there? It just is what it is. And it's one of the things when you live in a cold climate, you complain about it every year, even though you know it's going to happen. All right. But anyway, I have been trying to do this and I keep forgetting to do it. So I'm doing it today. Now, this is florals. And the reason why I wanted to do florals for the winter time is because when it gets cold and it's, you know, cold weather, everyone tends to move toward gourmands, you know, and everything is about things that are like comforting, so per se, like, you know, vanillas and caramels, you know, things that are sweet and sticky on the skin and just make you feel like, oh, I'm just home, honey to like. But I wanted to talk about florals because not everybody wants to wear gourmand. Not everybody wants to have those pralines or caramel or heavy vanillas. They want to smell like a flower. So I wanted to share some florals that I have that I think that are really good for the wintertime, because the one thing about wintertime is you need a fragrance that can handle the cold, especially when you live in cold areas like I do. So if you want to, so let's just talk about them. Did y'all hear that cat? All right, so let's talk about a few florals that I love for the wintertime. Like I said, these are true florals. They're not jammy roses. They're not, you know, filled with caramels and you know, but they're not the sweet ones. These are just pretty florals that have enough strength that in the wintertime they hold their own, because a lot of times with florals and you wear them when it's cold outside, baby, that cold air hits them and they are gone. Well, these, they ain't going nowhere. They staying right with you. So here's a few that I love. Let's just get this one out the way. This is, of course, Wild Python. Now, I think Wild Python can be worn for anything, everywhere, any occasion, all things. But it is strong enough. It is a, you know, it is a strong white floral. It clings to you, and when it gets out, when you wear it outside in the cold, it's just like you smell like this beautiful garden in the middle of wintertime. So yeah, Wild Python. Then let's just go on with it. Musk Garden. Musk Garden has some it has some fruits in them, but like I've always said, this is just such a heavy, heady, just strong floral scent that it holds its own in the cold. You can wear it in the summertime and it's going to be this beautiful floral. In the wintertime, if you really love florals, this is a perfect floral for the wintertime because it's not going anywhere. You're going to have it on all day. Now this one, I don't know why I haven't been wearing this one lately. This is Serge Lutens Fleurs d'Oranger. It's got honey in it, but what it really is, it's a beautiful, just beautiful, glorious orange blossom. This is like, when I wear this, I feel bright and sunny no matter what the year is, no matter how cold it is, because when I spray it on, it just smells like I am just in like sunny Spain or someplace where orange blossoms, in Florida or something, even in the cold. And when I'm wearing it, I can still smell it in my jacket and it's not fading away. It really holds onto you and clings to you like you really want it to. So so if you love orange blossom and you want that kind of shiny, sunny, bright vibe, go ahead and try Fleurs d'Oranger. You want to say hi, Malachi? Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Okay, and then this one, this one's kind of hard to find, but this is Molinar's Tuberose Vertigineux or something. This is a green tuberose. I was just wearing this the other day. Oh, I went out, I was shopping, I had to do a few things. It was 1 degree outside. And when I went into Target, I could just smell it coming off of me. But it's just this green, beautiful garden fresh tuberose. Not creamy, not too creamy, not bubblegummy at all. Just a beautiful gardeny tuberose. And it lasts so long. Don't spray it on your clothes. It's gonna be on there for days. And it has this brightness, and I could just smell it. I just felt like I was like a tuberose garden. That's how it felt on in the middle of 1 degree outside. And finally, this one. Now, this one is a little challenging for a lot of people. I think not everybody's gonna like this one. This is called Velvet Flowers by Montblanc. This is a really dry, very classic floral. It reminds me of being with like my grandmother or her friends at their club meetings. But for some reason I like it. And what it is, but when you put this on, it lasts on you. When I put it on and I've like sprayed it to go to bed in, wake up, I'm still smelling it. But it is a Montblanc, and it is glam grade. It projects out. It's last on you, but like I said, it has this dryness, so it kind of feels like very old-fashioned, but in a very kind of sophisticated, modern way to me. And what it does is, like, when I'm wearing it, I can smell it, but it's not so floral that it comes off very young or immature. It comes off very classic. And so even though it seems like, why would you want to wear that? It sounds like an old lady fragrance. On some people, it probably will, but on me, it just, maybe because I remember those kind of scents and hanging out at the club meetings with my grandmother, my great aunt. But I just love this scent, and like I said, it lasts. So yeah. So anyway, that's Montblanc's Velvet Flowers. So that is it for florals for the winter time. I wanted to share a few, mainly because I know like everybody doesn't want to smell like a gourmand. Everybody doesn't want to smell like a butter cookie, or a vanilla hot chocolate. Some people love florals and that's what they want to smell like, and these are great ones to wear in the cold weather, because I promise you they will project out, that you will smell like this glorious garden, but still sophisticated and just elegant. So if you were looking for one of those, try one of those. All right, and as always, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like florals and wear them in the wintertime, please give me a few new ones, because I love florals and I really like wearing them, like just mixing it up and wearing them when it's cold out. So if you have some really good cold weather florals, let me know about them. And as always, it's your Lulu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free.